get it. You're obsessed with women and you don't even know how to stop. Today, I'm going to show you how to stop giving women free attention. Top into this. 1. Embrace the pain. You see, heat and fire, all it does is it hardens iron. You are iron. You are strong. And the problem is that most of you are scared of rejection. You're scared of heartbreak. And that's why you obsess over women and give them all this attention, hoping you won't have to go through it. I'm telling you to embrace it. Don't fear it. Go out there and get rejected more. It's okay to get heartbroken by your girl. Look, it's better to cut her off than let her cheat on you. The problem is so many men fear those two things. They fear pain so much, they hyper-focus in on that one chick. 2, focus on yourself. You've heard this already, but it's so true. And I think, honestly, today, men are becoming aware. They're waking up, right? Where before, all you would do was hyper-focus on women. All you cared about is getting a girlfriend and getting a kiss and being able to sleep with her, etc. and the other. Not anymore. See, now you understand. Your eyes have been opened. What you need to be worrying is about yourself, about your future, developing yourself as a man, becoming higher status, earning more money, being physically fit, being healthier, focusing on every aspect of your life that's going to make you internally and externally look better. Not to mention that when you focus on this stuff, you stop giving away free attention because now it becomes valuable and consequently, women come to you. 3, make yourself the prize. Again, men are waking up. See, now that you're working on yourself, you're going to start also working on your exterior, making sure your grooming's on point, making sure your charisma's good, making sure your style is on point. See, when you start wrapping yourself as the prize, and now you're driving around looking like a Lamborghini, bro, you've made it easy on yourself. Now you won't be giving away free attention because now you know your attention is valuable and it'll be visible. Girls will know. This is why how you dress, it matters. It sends messages whether you like it or not. And it doesn't have to be difficult, boys. Not when it comes with your style. Basics is all you need. Your essentials is all you need. Yo, with our brand Essentials, all we do is focus on those simple basics, minimally designed, with no branding, no bright colors, but instead, pieces that are curated so it can fit your body and be extremely versatile and function in every aspect of your life. Shoot, we just dropped a polo in our dress pants. Tell me that doesn't look sick, bro. Look how nicely it drapes. It's comfortable. It looks high-end, and there's no branding. So it looks expensive. Nobody knows. You don't have to be flexing. Boys, if you guys want to check out our new pieces, you already know we have a bundle down below where you can buy the polo shirt and the trousers and our new backpack as a bundle. And I'm going to do something special for today's video. This is only for the next 24 hours. Last time, I did a 3-bundle t-shirt giveaway. In other words, if you bought the bundle, I would give you 3 t-shirts for free. That's about a $150 offer. I got a lot of emails saying, yo, why can't we just get the $150 rebate on the bundle instead of the free t-shirts? I hear you out. So for today only, for those dudes that sent me that email, if you guys check out that Essentials bundle, not only are you going to get a new collection of clothing, I'm going to give you a $150 rebate if you click that link down below. And again, this is only for today. So tomorrow, yo, feel sorry for you, bro. 4, never look at her stories. She doesn't care about you. Why should you care about her? Why should you be checking up on every single aspect of her life? You need to understand that when you start obsessing over everything she's posting on her stories, every little update that she's doing with her life, you're going to start developing a relationship with her without her even knowing. You're going to be becoming obsessed with her without her even knowing, and she doesn't even care about you. That's what has you wrapped up. 5. There is no perfect girl. See, yes, she might be a 10 in your eyes, but she's a 5 in some other dude's eyes. And chances are that other dude, he's probably right and you're wrong because experiences and exposure changes or shifts your level of excellence. Let me give you a great analogy. See, when I was a kid and I was broke, right? My definition of amazing steak was TGI Fridays. When my parents would take us to TGI Fridays, I thought I was having the dinner of a lifetime. That was a 10 out of 10 steak for me because we would go once a year, if that, right? But now that I'm older, your boy has had A5 Wagyu. Your boy has had dry-aged ribeye. Now the game has changed. Now I know what real 10 out of 10 steak tastes like. And when I go back to Fridays, that's like a 2 out of 10. Now, why am I telling you this? I'm not telling you this to go treat her like crap. I'm telling you this to get you out of that mindset that she is perfect, that has you acting up all nervous, all goofy around her, giving all this free attention for no reason. Finally, number 6, expose yourself to more, right? This is exactly what I'm talking about in my previous tip. You're so caught up in this one girl thinking she's perfect because you don't have that exposure. So what I want you to do, expose yourself to more. Go out and talk to more girls. I already told you, don't even do it on social media. Definitely don't do it at school because you don't want to have to deal with it, or at work if you're not at that level yet. So go do it with random strangers. And yes, it's going to be awkward, right? The first 10 to 20 interactions, it will be weird, especially if you're socially awkward. But I promise you, it's going to be a hell of a lot better than you being alone all the time. That's it for your boy. See you next time.